This might be the best AliExpress type of competitor in 2026. This is not financial advice, but let me just tell you, if I only had 7 days to make some sales and I didn't want to spend money because this website's free, of course, this is a tool I would check out. Let's get into this shit. All right, so the tool is called Teamdrop. It's all-in-one drop shipping tool, bro. They got everything you need. You see, all these are some of the products that they show you as examples, and you can literally go right here and search for the exact product. Now, before we get into that, I just want you to see some of the stuff it does, but what stores it connects to. Perfect. Look at this. Shopify, eBay, Woo, Etsy, and yes, Sirski, TikTok. So you can launch a store in 60 seconds. They telling you this thing moves quick, you hear me? So now that we know what stores it links us to, this leads me into the next part of my video. So, I'm glad you've been liking the video. Do me a favor, if you like this, make sure you click the link in the description because there you will be able to get free coupons. Yeah, I said it. They're giving you free stuff just to sign up. So if you like what you've seen in this video and you think this tool is useful and you want to start getting paid or just start figuring out how you can start selling stuff to others, you click the description. Thank you. Back to the video. So they're going to handle everything from AI. So just to start it off, you see they have an AI designer already built into it, and you can make your own poster, your product image. You could even make videos, bro. Everything is right here. But what I'm doing is a model try on. So I uploaded the hoodie. Now let's upload a model. And again, we've shown you tons and tons and tons of videos on how to go ahead and make your AI model. So you can go ahead and check one of my other videos to learn how to do that. And then you can pick your model of choice and then you just press try on outfit. So we've already went over how to use your phone and use TikTok each and every day to do market research. But if you don't want to do market research on TikTok, so what that means is they don't have a TikTok shop integration, but what they do is they connect directly to your TikTok shop, Amazon, Temu, or whatever through Shopify. So you can literally sign up for Shopify for $1 and go ahead and connect your platforms. Any store platform that you use that's on this website, they will go ahead and connect it through Shopify and can be listed on existing stores you already have through Shopify. So what that means is I will use AI to go ahead and create characters, and then once I had the characters created, I will post every single day on TikTok. It's very simple, bro. This shit don't cost any money. You sign up for TikTok at tiktok.com, you get an account, you start posting every day. Now you got your TikTok shop because guess what? They have products already listed in TikTok shop you can choose from, and then you can start selling. This is gonna link your TikTok shop and start listing the products for you, start sourcing the products for you, all, and you never have to touch anything. Let's get back to it. And so once you get your credits, you'll be able to go ahead and generate these things and you'll have your products on your model. Just like that, bro. It's that easy. You can change the background. You can get creative. You can do what you need to do, but it's fire. All right, but y'all know the thing about business, we got to give people what they want, but we don't want to be tied up all day having to buy products, store it at the crib, go to the post office. We're not doing none of that. What we need to think about is what's viral or what do people like. So if you got let's say a product like this. Look at this. They even give you the checklist. So we got iShowSpeed, Taylor Swift, Khaby Lane, Kim Kardashian. So look, you can check the product specifications and price. They tell you step by step exactly what to do. So you're never gonna be guessing, by the way. I didn't even plan this. They're literally showing you exactly what's going on. So you find your product and then you can check the shipping costs. As you see exactly where it's selling, that's on Shopify. It ships from America, and so on and so forth. And then you press next. And then you can list the product. That's simple. And you can literally list it to your store, bro. Yes, bro, yes. And you will be able to get it for free. I know you don't want to spend a damn dime, so this is lit. Don't worry about it. Teamdrop is lit. Let's continue. All right, so here is the product. This is a cosplay mask. So if you want to dress up like Kim Kardashian, Khaby Lane, or iShowSpeed, this is going to be a hilarious thing to go ahead and buy. So you already know these people are viral. You can pick your color, etc., etc. And you see it costs $1, gang. $1.20. So if you wanted this product to sell, you simply go here, you click where you want it listed at. You got a TikTok store, you say TikTok. You want it to ship to America, you click America. Your shipping method, and literally look, it tells you within a day, 1 to 3 days, your processing time. And then after that, within a week, they'll have their product. So estimated shipping time, it tells you all this information. So you can send a custom email to every buyer, whatever you need, but you don't have to do any of the work because they ship it for you. And you can press this one button and that's going to list it to the store. These folks went ahead and went crazy. You can order a sample or you can pre-order your inventory to make sure it fits properly before you start selling. and it only costs $1. So you can sell this for any price that you want. We already showed you can make videos just like these, and these videos are going to be made by using tons of different AI. Even if you want to come here and use Teamdrop, they got video designers in here, they got model try-ons, a lot of tools are in here. I don't care which tool you use, but Teamdrop has a lot of stuff for you. So, and I already know what you're about to ask, bro. I already know what you're about to ask. What does it come with? Well, I don't know how to do this. And before you start crying, they got AI product sourcing. So that means they get all of their drop shipping products sourced in one place. They're all under one roof. You don't have to go anywhere. They got print on demand and custom packaging. So let's say, for example, you want it to be your brand logo, your brand imaging. They can do all of that for you too, bro. They got auto fulfill, which means 24/7 is automated, fast shipping in real time. So they have huge warehouses that they have all these products, and they're gonna be shipping worldwide with tons of good quality. So you see, they really pride themselves on a reputation and quality control. And like we said before, 24/7 team. So for me, it's a lot of services I use that do not have 24/7. To be honest with you, a lot of companies, big ass companies, whether it's PayPal or whoever else you're thinking of, they do not have 24/7 customer service with real people that are able to speak to you, help you, and get through your problems. So that's an advantage if you know what I'm talking about. And you can just look for yourself, everything they have right here, the warehouses, the delivery network, the fulfillment, all of that information is here for you on the website. You feel me? Yes, bro, yes. So again, one of the things I just want to talk about is you want to do things that's simple, work smarter, not harder. So all I did was click winning products, and literally these are the things that popped up. So there's tons of, these products are fire, like a vitamin or a hair removal cream or whatever it is, because people have to replenish this. They would have to order this again. And as you see, it's all listed as hot. It has a bunch of labels on it to tell you what's hot right now and what's not. And look at this, $2, $1.40, 78 cents. So if you get this charcoal soap for 78 cents, imagine if you have an AI girl selling it for you. You post it on TikTok every single day, the most viral way. And how you do that? We already showed you. You can make videos just like these. And these videos are going to be made by using tons of different AI. Even if you want to come here and use Teamdrop, they got video designers in here. They got model try-ons. A lot of tools are in here. I don't care which tool you use, but Teamdrop has a lot of stuff for you. So no subscription, free sourcing, and fast delivery. I don't know what more you want. This ain't financial advice. Do what the hell you want. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. Check that description. You did.